Okay, is that on? I don't even know if there's a red light. Is there a red light? Alright, here we go. Well, kia ora everyone. I want to make a bit of a different video for you today. I want to show you a bit of a behind the scenes of Bear Kiwi. And well, got a new addition to the Bear Kiwi family. This just arrived in the mail today. So I want to introduce it to you, do a little unboxing video and show you why I've just brought this. I have just purchased myself a new Panasonic GH5. Look at that. This thing is a beauty.
I'm trying to work out how to get into it.
I'm switching over to this Panasonic here is my good mate Ryan Wilkes from the Path Less Traveled introduced it to me a little while ago while shooting in Kaikoura. Basically put one of these in my hand, I had to play around with it, and there's so many features that I really love. The video features are phenomenal. Having the ability to finally shoot in 4K. Most DSLRs, unless you're willing to get a home mortgage, you're not going to be able to upgrade to that. The stabilization in it is ridiculous. Ease of hand, it's comfortable, it's light, it's durable, it's weather resistant. Well, I'll just have a little play around and show you what I mean. So I thought I'd bring you to one of my favorite spots, the very northern part of the South Island, Whanariki Beach, and we'll go for an explore, see how this camera goes, and hopefully I'll get to learn how to use it. Lisa's laughing at me because I'm puffing. And I'll be honest, it's pretty exciting to see this new camera play. There's a whole bunch of new features in here I'm really excited about. The image quality, the stabilization, and that super sweet slow-mo. But like I said guys, this is a pretty exciting time for me. Choosing, switching over from my DSLR choice of the big old clunky Nikon here to this new sexy Panasonic GH5. And well, once I learn all these features, it's very new to me. There's a whole bunch of new buttons and everything. I think it's going to be pretty exciting times. So yeah, that's my 2 cents worth. Cheers everyone.